friends. My name is Miss Jenny. Welcome to Math Lab. In this activity, we're going to practice building cube towers to show quantities 1 all the way up to 5. So for this activity, all you need are connecting cubes. Push play when you're ready to continue. Welcome back, friends. We are going to practice building cube towers to represent the quantities 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I love apples. Do you love apples? Let's pick 2 different colors to represent colors of apples. For this activity, I'm going to use red because I love red apples. And I'm going to use yellow because I love yellow apples too. Some of you may love green apples. So pick 2 colors and then push play when you're ready to continue. Welcome back, my friends. Let's see what our first number is. What is this number? That's the number 3. Show me how to build a tower of 3. So I am using my cubes to build a tower of 3. Okay, ready? Show me your tower. Here we go. Ready? Ta-da! Do I have 3 cubes? 1, 2, 3. I do. And what's really neat about my cube tower is I have 2 red cubes and 1 yellow cube. 2 and 1 is 3. Does your cube tower look a different way? Maybe your cube tower is all of one color. Maybe your cube tower looked like this, or it was all of one color. Make sure you have 3 cubes and give yourself a 3-finger woo. Woo! Friends, let's put your tower of 3 to the side because you're going to need that in just a little bit. Okay, I'm putting my number 3 to the side. Let's see what our next number is going to be. Oh, it's showing the number 5. Let's build a tower of 5. Are you going to use all of one color or are you going to use 2 colors? Show me your tower. Ta-da! Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 cubes in my tower. But look, I used 2 different colors. I have 4 red cubes and 1 yellow cube. 4 and 1 is 5. Give yourself a 5-finger woo for a job well done. Woo! Put your 5 cube tower to the side and let's do a different number. Here we go. Oh, that's easy. That's just a 1. Show me 1. Ta-da! Super easy. Let's put your cube tower to the side. Wow, I can't believe we haven't had any duplicates yet. Here we go. Oh! This is the number 4. Show me 4. Ready? Ta-da! 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 3 red cubes and 1 yellow cube to show 4. Can you show 4 a different way? Let's try. Maybe some of your towers look like this. Maybe some of you picked 2 of one color and 2 of your other color because 2 and 2 is 4. Give yourself a 4-finger woo for a job well done. Woo! Okay, put it to the side. And there's one last number left. I'm going to see if I can spin it and maybe I'll get super lucky. Here we go. Oh my goodness! Super lucky. Oh my goodness. I've never been this lucky before. This is the number 2. That's right, my friends. Show me 2. Ta-da! 1 and 1 is 2. Maybe your tower looks like this, or it's all of one color. Double check that you have 2. Give yourself a 2-finger woo for a job well done. Woo! Now, friends, I have a challenge for you. Take out all of your cube towers that we've made, and can you put your cube towers in order from the smallest number that has the smallest quantity all the way up to the largest number? Push play when you're ready to continue. Welcome back, friends. Let's check the order of your cube towers. We always start counting with 1. And when we count forward by 1, we say the number that comes next by adding 1 more. So 1 and 1 is 2. 2 and 1 more is 3. 3 and 1 more is 4. 4 and 1 more is 5. Friends, let's practice counting up to 5 and back down to 1 again. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give yourself a 5-finger woo for a job well done. Wee!